Okay, you know this feeling. You're heading out to the park or the beach, and you're trying so hard to pack light.
So, you've got your tote bag, right? The one that holds all your important stuff. But then you've also got this bulky blanket that you have to juggle under your other arm. It's just a lot. The whole thing is pretty awkward.
But what if that bag was the blanket? We found one that actually does just that.
Check this out. It's a really nice shoulder tote, but with one simple unzip, the whole thing just opens up into a big 94-centimeter round mat. It's one item that does two completely different jobs. So how does that work? Well, the secret is the fabric. The outside is made from Oxford cloth, which is super durable, wear-resistant, and, most importantly, waterproof. That's what makes the whole design possible.
You'd think something like this would be heavy, but it's not. It's only 540 grams. To put that in perspective, that's about the same weight as a half-full water bottle. You really won't even feel it.
And it's really practical, too. That waterproof outside means you're not going to worry about damp grass or sand. On the inside, there's a soft lining, a couple of pockets for your things, and the straps are long enough to wear over your shoulder or even crossbody. The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it.
Okay, but here's a good question we had. Does that waterproofing really work in both modes? As a bag and as a mat? Yep, it absolutely does. The design is actually pretty clever about it.
So when it's a bag, that Oxford cloth keeps all your stuff inside dry from any light rain. And when you lay it out as a mat, that same fabric creates a barrier so you stay dry from the damp ground.
And maybe one of the best parts is just how it looks. This doesn't scream camping gear. It just looks like a real, stylish bag, so no one would ever guess it's also your picnic blanket.
It also comes in two really versatile colors, a light brown and a classic black. So at the end of the day, this bag just helps you do more with less. It handles two jobs without any of the extra weight or bulk. It's truly one of those bags that earns its spot every single time you head out the door.
The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it.